We will be looking at Bill Ackman, and Bill Ackman is a large name on Wall Street. He has historically been a phenomenal investor, very new school per se. He really likes to take an active approach in his investments, and he's also a value investor at the same time, so he's a really interesting hybrid investor on Wall Street, and he is making headlines again. So, of course, everyone knows Bill Ackman, the $2.3 billion man. He runs Pershing Square Holdings, and so this is basically his fund that he runs. And in this headline, he basically meets with a man, and this man is Andrew Wilkinson. Sorry if I butchered your name right there. But Andrew actually bought a lunch with Bill at a charity. As you can see here, he paid $57,700 to attend this lunch with Bill. And he actually made a business, agreement with Bill Ackman. And now Bill Ackman is helping him IPO and go through an entire process. And now Bill's actually quickly investing in his company. His company is Wecommmerce. Now, you guys probably haven't heard about this. It is not a very large company by any means, but Wecommmerce is essentially a company that buys other e-commerce companies. So they are directly competing with Shopify. They will buy any software or any new developments in the e-commerce field. And they right now are looking for new companies to acquire. They look at about 1,000 companies a year, although only pull the trigger on about 3 to 4 of them. And currently they own 30 different companies that they have bought. So of course everyone knows Shopify, a massive stock in the stock market. They have just been on a crazy surge the last 5 years. As you can see, up 4,500%. And we all know what Shopify does. They basically are a catalyst for businesses. So you can set up a website and sell your product through them. They're business to business business in a sense. And now going back to Wecommmerce, Wecommmerce is actually publicly traded on the TSX, basically the Canadian stock market. As you can see here, their ticker is WE. Now, for a lot of my viewers, I know that you guys are Robinhood investors and in the US, so you guys will actually have to kind of go through another brokerage to look through them. They have a very small market cap relative to their competitors at $708 million. Literally, Bill Ackman is like twice the size of this company, which is kind of funny to think about, that this guy is more valuable than this company twofold. But as you can see, they've spiked up from around $3 all the way up to $21 just in a very short period of time through August to December. And he is quickly adding and aggressively adding shares to his holding. Of course, referring back to Bill Ackman. Now, Wecommmerce, as you can see here, Wecommmerce is focused on acquiring businesses with growth potential, a sustainable competitive advantage, and that are or have the potential to become a leader within their particular market. The company targets businesses within the Shopify partner ecosystem due to its confidence in the Shopify platform. The fragmented nature of the ecosystem and the attractive economics that the business generally exhibit. As one of the Shopify's first partners since 2010, Wecommmerce believes it is well positioned to continue to identify acquisition opportunities in the Shopify partner ecosystem. So that's a little bit why you should invest in the company. And this is directly off their investors page. Now, you guys can actually go back onto this page. I'll have a link in the description below. You guys can look at all their financial statements, etc. Although I just find this interesting because Bill Ackman, being the person that he is, everyone always takes notice of his newer acquisitions. He has a very credible track record, and I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attentions because being at $700 million as a market cap, in comparison to Shopify's massive market cap of $141 billion. It has a lot of potential growth in front of them, and we will see how Wecommmerce does in the future. Although just with Bill Ackman supporting it, I have a bullish outlook, although I would highly recommend diving more into their financials and stuff. But I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the YouTube algorithms for me. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Peace.